A friend has been asking me, how do I get are you on Facebook? How do I get followers on Facebook? I was like, I am not on Facebook. I am not doing content on Facebook, but now I'm doing it. Just that I'm not serious about it. I'm more serious on YouTube than that Facebook. But the friend was asking me, how do I get followers on my Facebook? I told him if you have an audience on other social media accounts, you can get follow. You can just redirect them to that your Facebook page for them to come follow you. But if you don't have the audience on other channel, you really want to base on Facebook, you can do it just by being consistent on what you are posting. That is number one. Consistency is all about basing on a particular strategy of posting. If you are posting like 5 p.m. daily or 5 p.m. every day, or let me say every Tuesday, you are posting like one video every Tuesday, or once in a week you are posting a video, continue to post on that particular day. You are posting on Tuesday every week, let me say, and that particular video, one particular every week, we are posting on Tuesday of every week. Continue to post on that particular day, because posting on that particular day will help you to help any channel that you are doing. Let me see, if you are on Facebook, any media, social media handle that you are doing, if you're on TikTok, as far you put in consistency, the algorithm will put you for more than other one person that is posting randomly. If you are posting randomly, you either confuse the algorithm. They might take your video like you are not more serious about them. But when you put in consistency, even if it's once in a week that you are posting, and that your video is a quality video, quality content that you are posting once in a week, guy, I tell you that you make it. But if you are someone that is posting randomly, post once in a week, even if it's once in a week, continue to post once in a week. Or you are posting someone that you post once in this week, then on the second week you post like 2 videos, or post like 2 times in a week. No, it can reduce your audience and to make your video not to get more views as you wish. So I want to share with you one other ways. Okay, the second one is by inviting your friends. Your friends on your profile is one of the people that will first of all just follow your page before that people will begin to join. If they cannot follow you, that means it's not like, but you can still get you. But most people that will be subscribed to your own channel immediately is those people that are your friends on your profile. When you invite them, they can decide to follow you from following you, because all this social media, and it's all about when they see audience on your videos, and when they see audience on your channel or your page or handle, they will start to redirect other people to come to your channel. Even if you can, even that is promotion for you. If you are not really doing about promotion, or they are not doing promotion, that is okay. But this Facebook or any handle that you are doing, one of the ways you can get your followers fast is by inviting your friends, your family friends, or your everyone. You can invite them, your relatives. When you start to invite them on Facebook or YouTube, you begin to see much audience on your channel or your page. They will start to promote that your page or your channel without you knowing. You discover that there are more views coming again, because there are much viewers and there are much audience on that particular handle. So one of the ways you can get these subscribers, I don't advise people to buy. No, buying will just reduce the engagement you might have, but even if you get monetized, to reduce the engagement, because those people that just engage, they are not ready to engage again. Those people that you just buy, they are not ready to engage again. So I will advise you get it the legit way by inviting your friends, or by posting strategically, which is what I mean, that is consistency, and posting quality content. That is my advice to any creator out there. So I believe you learned a lot from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are watching on YouTube. Then if you are watching from Facebook, don't forget to follow, and on TikTok, don't forget to follow. Thank you. Click that like button, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.